Hi there, welcome back to another video. And today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a portfolio website using free AI. This is completely free and you don't have to pay for anything and you don't have to do any coding here also. So I'm going to show you everything step by step. At first we need a prompt. So to generate a prompt we are going to go with the ChatGPT. You may go with Google Gemini. So it's up to you. Just go with any chatbot, okay, and then ask for a prompt. So you need a prompt basically, okay. And after that you have to go for the lovable. Here you can see lovable, okay. So if you go for the browser and if you type lovable.dev, you will find this space, okay. And after that we need a sample. Let's say we have generated prompt. Now let's say we need a sample that how our portfolio website will look like. So for this we can actually go for the dribble, okay. So type dribble.com and then it will actually take you to this page. From here you can search for portfolio website, okay. Then you will find here lots of portfolio sites. Here you can see design. Now choose any of them and then go with it, okay. So at first we will go for the ChatGPT, all right. And here we are going to generate a prompt. So I'm going to ask here ask for a prompt. So I'm going to say here that I need a professional prompt to generate a portfolio site for my business. I am a web developer. Okay, so give me a prompt so that I can generate it through lovable AI. Hit enter. Then it will actually give you a prompt, okay. And here is the prompt. If you want to change anything you can actually regenerate it. I'm going to copy this. So let's go here and copy this, and I'm going to go to the lovable, okay, lovable AI, and here I'm going to paste it and go at the top, and here you can see your brand name. So you can actually give here a brand name. Let's say in this case I'm going to say here it's a web technology. Okay, all right. Now I'll actually hit enter, but before that I need a sample. So I'm going to add a sample. So let's go there in the dribble, okay, and from here you can actually choose any of them, okay. So you can actually click here developer or mention here that web developer, okay. So you'll find here like this. Let's go with this one. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to right click on it and copy the image, okay. Go to the lovable AI and here I'm going to paste here, okay. So I'm going to right click on it and then paste it, okay. Now here I'm going to add the image. So I'm going to paste the image here at the top. Here you can see the image is added now, right? Because I have signed in through my account, okay. I have signed into my account. That is the reason actually I can now add image, okay. So if you want to add image you have to sign in. That's it. And now we can actually go with it, okay. So we'll actually click here. All right, here you can see we got here everything and these are the tools. Now loading preview. So now it will actually show us preview. So let's just wait for this. Here we go. In the right side you can see we got here a nice portfolio site, right? Have about section, services, portfolio. Now if you want to change anything you can actually mention here in this chat box. Then it will actually apply all the changes. All right. So we got here a nice portfolio site. So this is how actually you can create a nice portfolio site through lovable AI. And I have shown you all the process how you can actually create a professional portfolio site, okay, for you. All right. Now we can actually click here publish and then we can copy this, okay, and then continue and then public, continue. All right, publish. We got here you can see your app is live. So we got here links, so we can actually click here, copy here the link, or maybe we can click here view app, and here we go. Our portfolio site is live. Here you can see. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.